guys, so we just ordered Lego Mario on noon 15 minutes and we're gonna test it. Is it gonna arrive in 15 minutes? Lego Mario? Because we lost the original Lego Mario starter kit. We have lots of Lego Mario here, but we lost the original Lego Mario, the Mario itself, the one with the screen, right? The Mario, what do you call that, Alan? Yeah, the Mario with the screen, we lost that. Mario himself. So we ordered another Lego Mario starter kit. Let's see if he's gonna arrive at exactly 15 minutes. 15 minutes, okay? Arrive in 9 minutes. Can you believe that, man? Came up with this amazing idea. This thing is going to arrive in 6 minutes, and Alan has an idea regarding the timer, right, Alan?
Yeah. So the closer it is to arriving, the more I'll put the flag up. And when it's here, the flag is gonna be at the top.
Awesome. Where's the flag at right now? It's
Here.
right here, right? Yeah, it's almost there. Amazing. He rang the
flag
bell.
is at the top.
Yay. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Yay! Wow, that was even faster than 15 minutes. That was incredible, man. Did you get it? Wow! Actually got it, man. This is the original starter course. Amazing. So noon 15 minutes is on point. It's actually the real deal. And by the way, we use it every single day. Well, almost every single day. It's faster than the grocery delivery. Amazing. Check this out, man. Alan, let's go ahead and play the Lego Mario starter course right now. Nice. So we got this from noon minutes in under, I don't know, 11 minutes? Something like that? It's crazy, man. Let's open it, Alan.
Yeah.
Go ahead and open it, buddy. Whoa.
Explode.
So this thing's going to open Lego Mario. Shoo. Go ahead and open it. Come on, I can't wait to build another starter course, man.
Works with all expansion sets.
Expansion sets. Yes, go ahead. Open it. Nice.
Baba, look.
What?
I already have Lego Mario's pants.
Show me the pants.
It's inside, but I already have it.
Okay. Now let's see what we got. Where's the Lego Mario piece?
Put all the
Man, we have all of these pieces, by the way. We already have these pieces. We're just looking for the Lego Mario himself. Where is he? Okay.
He must be in there.
Yeah, I think he's in here. Let's open this. Yeah, you're right, man. He's right here. Finally, we got Lego Mario, man.
And
Let's
we got
put
the instructions.
Yes. Come on. Let's put the Lego Mario back. This is what we wanted. Well, we had to buy the entire starter course again, but what to do? They don't sell this separately. So now we can play and build more starter courses.
What? Blue is water.
Yeah.
Red is lava. No, red is fire.
Yeah, I like when he does that.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Woo! Okay, next. Purple.
Poison.
Poison. Poor Mario. Next.
Wait.
I like when he does a
Look at his eyes.
I know, man. Next. Well, Mario's invincible, man. Next.
Wait, let him calm down.
Okay, Mario, calm down. Next. And finally, grass. Nice. We got Lego Mario from noon minutes in under 15 minutes. Actually, 11 minutes. That's right.
Right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.